Howdy, and welcome to the BuickSmith channel, or BuickSmith Garage, and to North Dakota. This channel is going to be about mainly these two vehicles. My 1971 Buick Skylark, which actually has parts from almost every Skylark I've ever owned, and this little gem right here, which is a 1965 El Camino with a 65 Buick special front end, and it will get a Buick drivetrain also. And this here, this is Sky. Say hi, Sky, look over there. We're going to concentrate on making this thing my daily driver, as I do some blacksmithing, and I need to haul stuff every day, about 35 miles each way. So we're going to try to make it a daily and a mileage machine. And this one, I'm going to try to concentrate on making this one a family cruiser for going on long trips. We go over to Kalispell, Montana quite a bit, and the speed limit over there is 80 on the interstate, and I want to be able to make that thing as fuel efficient as I can at that mile per hour. So if you want to see any of that, stick around, subscribe and like, and again, welcome to BuickSmith.